Hey guys, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly translate your English video to Hindi language using AI tool. It's absolutely free for joining. So this link I will reach in video description for easy access. So without any more time wasted, let's jump to video. First, I'm going to Rask AI. This link I will reach in video description for easy access. So you need to first go in my video description, then click here. You are redirect to this website. You need to shoot joining with Gmail. This is enough for first step. Then you can see this is upload video. Just click here. Then here are two options for uploading your video. Number one, upload from your mobile phone, computer and desktop, laptop, etc. Number two option are YouTube link or Google Drive link. So I choose first one. You can choose any one is matter for you. Then okay, this is my English video. You can see this is a auto detect how many speaker have in this video. You need to select here. If you don't know, don't worry, just select auto detect. This is good. Then choose your English language. This is a point. Then my video language are English. I have to translate it Hindi. If your video have Hindi, you want to translate it English, then select your original video language Hindi and you want to translate it English, Bangla and German, Spanish, French and etc. Here are 130 language supported. I hope you understand. Then I choose Hindi. Okay, this is good. Now click on translate. After few seconds it will be completed. Okay, now video are completed. I want to download right now. This is subtitle option. I want to turn on. Okay, this is good. Just go to download option, then click on video with subtitle, then click on generate. It's automatically generate subtitle for me and it is downloading right now. Now just click on translate video with subtitle, then okay, it's already downloading right now here.
इस वीडियो में हम 4 ऐसी चीजों पर नजर डालने जा रहे हैं जो आप पूरे दिन अपनी ऊर्जा को बढ़ाने के लिए कर सकते हैं। ओह, वैसे अगर आप यहाँ नए हैं तो नमस्ते, मेरा नाम।
So this is a method how you can translate your video English to Hindi using this AI tool. And if you decided to translate it Hindi to English, this is fantastic way, and you can translate up to 130 language using this AI tool. Can you imagine? This is a fantastic tool. So if you found this very helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.